Hello, to this video I'm gonna make sweet and sour chicken with pineapple. Here I already prepared cut boneless chicken, and I have here teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of garlic powder, and onion. And I have also a tablespoon of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of flour, 5 spoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and the 4 colorful bell peppers. Let's get started. Now let's season the chicken. Put all the ingredients. Put 2 tablespoons of water. Mix them all together and marinate it for 15 minutes. And now let's cut the pineapple into half. This one. Now let's slice from inside. Now we're gonna keep this for later on. Now let's do the second one. Now let's reheat the oil. Fry the last one, the remaining. Let's drain it. Now let's cut our veggies. Let's cut the onion. We cut the onion in cubes like this. We cut it also in cubes. Now let's make the sweet and sour sauce. Let's put the pineapple extract. put the tomato ketchup. White vinegar and soy sauce. Half teaspoon of salt. Mix them together. Now our sweet and sour sauce done. You can put also sugar, but it's optional. Mine I didn't put because I already used pineapple extract and the pineapple is sweet. Now it's ready to cook our chicken sweet and sour with pineapple. Put some olive oil. Let's fry the onion. Add our bell pepper. Fry for about 1 minute. Now, let's add our fried chicken. Pour the sweet and sour sauce. Put our pineapple. Check it. Our chicken sweet and sour with pineapple is done. Now it's ready to serve.